In my previous video, I have covered the topic Make It Interrogative. I gave you 10 questions for homework to solve on your own. In this video, I will be discussing the solutions of those homework questions. Let's get started. The first one we have is I will come. First, I told you add a question tag. I will come. The sentence is positive, tag will be negative. I will come, comma, won't I. Won't I will come over here in the final answer. Won't I. Here we have covered the word will. We have covered I. We will scrap them out. What remains is the word come. So won't I come, question mark. This will be your final answer. Now, this is the step 1 in which you have to add a question tag to the sentence. You have to do this step number 1 in your rough work page, okay? And this is the final answer which you have to write in your answer paper. You have to directly write this answer, okay? Now, the next one is we were tired, comma, weren't we? This will be the question tag. Question tag will come here. Weren't we? So we have covered were, we have covered we. What remains is tired. Weren't we tired? Question mark. This will be the final answer. We do not have the courage. Now, here I told you the rule. No will become any, not. We do not have to replace anything in place of not, and never will become ever. This rule will be applied over here. We do not have the courage, comma. Sentence is already negative, tag will be positive. So do we, this will be the question tag. Do we will come over here. Do we have covered do, we have covered we. Not, here comes the word not, and here in the rule, according to the rule, we do not have to replace anything in place of not. We just have to scrap it out. So we will scrap it out. So do we have the courage? Same. Do we have the courage? Question mark. This will be the interrogative sentence. I have no camera. Again we will use this rule over here. No is the negative word over here. I have no camera. Have I? Question mark. This will be the question tag. So have I will come over here. No is always replaced by any. In the topic, make it interrogative. Okay. So no will be replaced by any. Camera will come as it is. Question mark. Have I any camera? This will be the final answer. The next sentence that I have for you in your homework list is she loves cakes. Here the verb is loves. Okay. Loves will be divided into 3 categories: love, loves, and loved. This will be did plus love, this will be does plus love, and this will be do plus love. Here we have the second form, loves. She loves cakes. So loves will be divided into does and love. So the question tag here will be she loves cakes, doesn't she? Question mark. This doesn't she will come in your final answer. Doesn't she? So we have covered the word does, we have covered the word she. What remains is love cakes. So doesn't she love cakes? Question mark. This will be your final answer. The next one we have is they went for a trip. Again here we have the 3 forms of the word go. Go, goes and went. This will be do plus go, this will be does plus go, and this will be did plus go. Here we have the third form, went. So did plus go. They went for a trip, comma, didn't they? I have explained this topic of question tag in my previous video. I will link it somewhere over here. Okay, you can check it out. I have covered all the 5 rules of the topic. So didn't they will come over here. Didn't they? We have covered did, we have covered they. What remains is go for a trip. Didn't they go for a trip? Question mark. This is your final answer. The next one is also somewhat similar to this 6th one. Okay, so let us cover it. 7th one. We go for a walk daily. This is the sentence given. Okay, here we have the word go. Again, go, goes and went. These are the 3 forms of this verb. Okay, and go is formed from do plus go. We go for a walk daily, comma, do will become don't. We, question mark. Okay, this don't we will come over here in the answer part. Don't we, so we have covered do, we have covered we. Don't we go for a walk daily? This is what remains. Go for a walk daily, question mark. This will be your final answer. The next sentence we have is sentence number 8. Ram can never write. So here we have to use this rule. Never will become ever. Okay. First we will add the question tag. Step number 1, in your rough book, in your rough page, Ram can never write, comma, can he. Why did we write he over here? Because Ram is the name of a boy. If it were a girl's name, we would have written she. Okay. So can he will come over here again. Can he. We will replace he with Ram over here in the final answer. Can Ram. So we have covered Ram, we have covered can. Never will become ever according to the rule. Okay, this is the rule of make it interrogative. Can Ram ever write? Question mark. This will be your final answer. 9th one is this could be mine. This is simple. Sentence is positive, tag will be negative. This could be mine, comma, couldn't this, or couldn't it is also correct. So couldn't this will come over here. Couldn't this. We have covered could, we have covered this. What remains is be mine. Couldn't this be mine? Question mark. The last sentence that I have for you in the homework list is it will never work out. So here again we have the word never. Never is the negative word. Tag will be positive. It will never work out. Will it? Question mark. Never will become ever. Okay, this is the rule of interrogative. So never will become ever. This question tag will come over here. Will it ever work? question mark. With this, we have covered all the 10 questions which I gave you as homework in my previous video on Make It Interrogative. In this video, I explained you how to make an assertive sentence into an interrogative one. Okay? My name is Simran Mehtani and I'm signing off for this video. You take care of yourself.